Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Peugeot remote key fob. The key fob battery is situated just behind this cover here, so we need to remove it to access the battery. So what we need to do is get a flat-headed screwdriver, just like this one, and we pop it in the locating point, which is just right about there, like that, and we give it a twist, which releases the two halves of the key fob case. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. Now we just need to get a smaller flat-headed screwdriver and just pop it underneath the battery to release it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2016, like this one. We just simply pop it back into its housing. We make sure that the writing is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. Now it's time to pop it back together. We just get the other half of the case and we line it up and we just click it all back in place, like so. And there you go, it's all done.